Friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel Dr.Satendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss infinite series convergence. Okay. Now first the definition of infinite series. Infinite series. The sum of the terms u1 u2 u3 un of a real sequence un. This is sign of sequence, is called an infinite series and is denoted by summation n is equal to 1 to infinity un or simply summation un. Okay. Where un is the nth term, or generally we can say general term of the series, summation un. Okay. Now we discuss here the nature of the infinite series. Nature of the infinite series. That series will be convergence or divergence. Okay. With the help of some important formula as follows. Now repeat again. What is infinite series? The sum of the terms u1, u2, u3 up to un of a real sequence un is called an infinite series and is denoted by summation un, or simply we can say summation un, where un is the nth term, or generally we can say this is the general term of the series, summation un. Now we discuss here the nature of the infinite series, that the series will be convergence or divergence with the help of the some important form tests as follows. Now there are some tests. Number 1, first test. Now test is limit n tending to infinity un equal 0, then we can say no declaration. That is, it is not confirmed here कि series is convergent or divergent, but it is not equal to 0, then series will be divergent. Now second test name is Cauchy nth root test. Cauchy nth root test. In this test, limit n tending to infinity un whole power 1 upon n greater than 1, then series will be divergent. Less than 1, series will be convergent, or equal to 1, test fail. Now third test name is comparison test. In this test, first we calculate un. In this un, we calculate vn. Un is the nth term of the series and vn is the auxiliary nth term of the series. Now, un divided by vn and taking the limit n tending to infinity always takes finite number, then vn compared by 1 upon n to the power p. If p is greater than 1, series will be convergent. If p less than or equal to 1, the series will be divergent. In this case, test is not failed. Okay. Now fourth test name is D'Alembert ratio test. D'Alembert's ratio test. The D'Alembert ratio test. In this test, limit n tending to infinity un upon un plus 1. The value of un upon n plus 1 at limit n tending to infinity greater than 1, so series will be convergent. Lesser than 1, series will be divergent. Equal to 1, test fail. The most important concept in this test, the series has x term or factorial terms, then we apply directly for test, D'Alembert test. Okay. Now in this case, when D'Alembert test is failed, then we apply fifth test. Fifth test name is Rabi's test. In this test, limit n tending to infinity n un upon un plus 1 minus 1 greater than 1, series is convergent. Less than 1, series is divergent. Equal to 1, test fail. Okay. In this case, when rabbit test is failed, then apply De Morgan and Bertrand test. De Morgan and Bertrand test can be used only when rabbit test is failed. Now test is limit n tending to infinity n un upon un plus 1 minus 1 bracket close log n limit n tending to infinity. If greater than 1, the series will be convergent. Less than 1, series is divergent, or equal to 1, test is failed. Almost when used De Morgan and Bertrand test is not failed. Now, seventh test, logarithm test. Logarithmic test. Test is limit n tending to infinity n log un upon un plus 1 greater than 1. Series is convergent. Less than 1, series is divergent, equal to 1, test fail. Okay? Now most important concept here, logarithm test is apply only when then un upon un plus 1 whole power is very large. Then we apply logarithm test in the infinite series. Okay? In case when test is failed, then we apply next test. Test name is higher logarithm test. Test number 8. Higher logarithmic test. Okay. Now higher logarithm test. Test is limit n tending to infinity n log un upon un plus 1 minus 1 log n greater than 1, series is convergent. Less than 1, series is divergent. Equal to 1, test is failed. Okay? Generally, all questions are solved by above given 8 tests. Further, now test number 8, name is Leibniz test. Leibniz test is used only when there are most important 3 concepts here. Now first concept, series has positive, negative, alternative sign terms. Okay. Now second concept, series always decreasing. Series always decreasing. Okay. Now third, limit n tending to infinity un tending to 0, then we can say series will be convergent. Otherwise, divergent. Okay.